Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 10-foot by 82-inch rectangular swimming pool with filter pump. At 10 foot long and 82 inches wide, this large rectangular frame swimming pool is perfect for playing a game of volleyball or just sitting and chilling. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this swimming pool. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this rectangular frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Great to use for garden, seaside, balcony, farmyard, park, etc. The right size for kids and adults. You won't feel hot in summer. Product benefits: easy to set up, ready for water in only 30 minutes. This pool features a rust-resistant frame and PVC sidewalls to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. Designed with multiple nozzles and valves around the pool to be compatible with most filter pumps and hoses. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.